Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a graph that combines a bar chart with two or more lines in Tableau. This visualization technique is incredibly useful when you want to compare different metrics side by side, allowing you to spot trends and relationships between your data points at a glance. First, open your browser and navigate to the Tableau website by typing in tableau.com in your address bar. This will take you to the Tableau homepage where you can access all their tools and features. From there, you'll need to sign in if you already have an account, or alternatively, you can open Tableau Public or Tableau Desktop directly if you have either of these installed on your computer. These desktop applications give you more control and flexibility when working with your data. Once you're signed in, it's time to create or open a workbook. Click on Explore and then start a new workbook by clicking on New. A drop-down selection will appear. And from there, select Workbook. This creates a fresh workspace where you can build your visualization from scratch. Now you'll need to connect to your data source. In the Start page, under the Connect section, you'll see various options for your data source such as Excel, text file, or even database connections. Click on Files and Upload from your computer. Select the dataset you wish to use on Tableau, then click Open. Once your file uploads successfully, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook, so choose something descriptive that will help you identify it later, and then click Publish. This step might take a moment depending on your file size, so be patient while Tableau processes your data. With your data connected, it's time to start building your visualization. Drag a dimension to rows and a measure to columns to create a basic bar chart. For this tutorial, we'll use date on columns and total sales on rows. This gives you a foundational chart that displays your sales data over time in a bar format. Now, here's where the magic happens to combine your bar chart with two or more lines. Drag measure values onto rows, then click on it and select Dual Axis. This action will combine two line graphs into one unified visualization, allowing you to overlay multiple data series on the same chart. This dual axis feature is what enables you to see both the bar chart and the lines together, making it easier to compare different metrics in a single view. And there you have it, you've successfully created a combined chart in Tableau that displays bars alongside multiple lines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.